Hello guys, this is the Money Grind here. So last week we mentioned that the price action for Solana has currently stabilized at an uncharted level at around $90 as the price action at this level is currently not being held by any previous support line. So let's see how the coin has performed over the week. So if you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. And enjoy! So without further ado, let us jump into the chart. So since last week we can see that the price action is still maintaining at the level it is at last week at around $90. However, it does seem that as time progresses, the bulls are winning the fight against the bears ever so slightly, and the price action for the coin does seem to be increased a little bit. So let us improve on our trend line here a little bit. So we can see that since last week, as the price action continued its slight uptrend, the price action for the coin actually broke up from this resistance line here, and we can see that during the breakup there is actually an increase in trading volume, which is very typical for any breakup or breakdown from any trend line. So since then, the price action for the coin does seems to be sustaining itself on the upper side of this trend line. So currently the trend for the price action should be considered bullish. And if we look at our momentum oscillators, so both our RSI and MACD oscillators does seems to be in agreement for this assessment, as both indicators are showing us that the trend for the price action does seems to be bullish at the moment. However, I would advise caution against the current situation, because although the price action has penetrated and sustaining itself above this trend line here, it has yet to prove itself of its strength by penetrating and sustaining itself above this resistance line here at around $130. And if the price action does manage to penetrate and sustain itself above this level here, during which we will have a saucer formation for our reversal pattern, then we can officially consider the current uptrend as a valid formation. So in conclusion, for Solana, the price action for the coin is still trending at around $90 level. However, the bulls does seem to be winning the fight, and the price action for the coin does seem to be trending up ever so slightly. And we even penetrated our trend line here, and the price action is currently sustaining itself above this trend line, which seems to suggest that the current trend is about to turn bullish. And this is supported by our momentum oscillators here, as both our RSI and MACD oscillators are showing us that the current trend is indeed seems to be bullish. However, the current price action would still need to prove itself by penetrating and sustaining itself above this resistance line here at $130, during which we could have the saucer formation completed, which signify the completion of our reversal pattern. So that would be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I was making it. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you find value in this video. Do leave us a comment down below if you have any other topics or coin that you would like us to cover, and we may cover it in the next video. So cheers, and until next time!